MeghalayaPost.news.
Special Officer Batung da Meghalaya High Court Senior Advocate Subhashish Chakravarti negasing la lumi Jingialang Kyrpang Halor gisen jam Jingpynkynriah yakin Nongdie Madan negathan khandailat shaki jaka balaithu rak sarkar jala yagani Jingialang la pulong hakamra ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasils ka kong RM Korba hargat ke Jingialang ki Board District nadukatan pulit bat kinongilam kiseng Nongdie Madan abakran Jingialang Thai Board hadin ke Jingialang Special Officer Batung da Meghalaya High Court Subhashish Chakravarti ulong bak Jingialang mutaksi ki Board District kentup lang baka knon Nongdie Madan kalong ka basaiso Special Officer ulaya thuru bakamat jong Jingialang gade banyakran habaide bikikam ke baide bag jingtemu Jingpynkynriah yakin Nongdie Madan nak nailan ke jingekran kalong ka basaiso habaide bakamat Nongdie Madan mentagi Board District kila banya chakmat yakam kumba kila shim yagarai
parties have met together and there has been a fruitful discussion how to go ahead with the task of reallocating the vendors and finalizing the layers, issuing COVs and all that. There has been a clear, fruitful discussions. So the administration will now go ahead with the work in accordance with the decisions taken. Being in a very constructive, calling everyone, discussing everyone, taking everyone's views, and proceeding in accordance with the directions given by the High Court in its order dated 3rd of this month. Honorable High Court, whatever order was given by the Honorable High Court, that is being provided. So let us see how it goes ahead. What the people will come to know about it as the thing progresses.
MeghalayaPost.news.